What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and I've got 24 hours with this Rolls Royce Cullinan, and I'm going to give you a walk around shots of the exterior and the interior. But first of all, does the number plate match the car? Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good match. Anyways, make sure you like and subscribe, and follow me on the social medias above, because I always put up sneak peeks. So let's give you a walk around, and I've got to say, driving this car is a really big tank. First time I've actually drove a Rolls Royce Cullinan. You've got the Spirit of Ecstasy over there, Rolls Royce sign, number plate there. Let's start off with the exterior. It's a black on black design as well, with some 24-inch Rolls Royce Continental sport tires. 24 inch, they are massive. They actually come up to my hips as well. But anyways, moving on. I'll give you an exterior shot. And if you know where we are, let me know in the comment section below. Where do you think this place is? Anyways, let's come to the rear of the car. It's a quad pipe. If you look inside, you can see the quad pipes, but looking at it from the top, they look like single pipes. Let's pop the boot. I don't even know what's in the boot. Boot is actually nice and spacious. Press that. Was it not that button? This one here. There you go. And you can actually sit on this as well, which I'm not gonna, because I ain't got time for that. So let's close the boot, and it goes together as well. That's me. So before we actually show you the driver's side of the car, let's show you how much space is in the back. Now we have got some things in the back. This is a starlight roof as well. Don't know if you can actually see it in the light, but it's very spacious in the back, and it also has your screens and a table if you want to actually use it. All the applications you can actually use from there. I don't know if I'm actually doing it right, but you know what I mean. It's not often you review a Rolls Royce, put it that way, so you got to bear with me. I'm actually doing this on a time limit as well. So here's what the interior looks like. Spirit of Ecstasy embedded into the door card. Full electrics, of course. Here's the cockpit of the car. Now there's loads of mods and cons with this car as well. Took me ages just to find out where the door locks were, but look at that. Mashallah, looks very nice. Even with the starlight roof, that looks lovely in the evenings. Not too much during the day. But it's not going to be a long review, so just wanted to show you what I've got the car. But I'll be putting a lot of shots up on my social media, so if you don't follow, yes, it does need a wash, but weather in UK is unpredictable. 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute it's sunshine. But what do you think? Rolls Royce Cullinan. If you want me to hide it out some other days as well, let me know in the comment section below what other videos you want to see. But this is the short walk around shots, interior and exterior, of the Rolls Royce Cullinan. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you again for the next car.